I'm Nicole Zander from the Army Research Lab, here to talk to you about my upcoming talk at the 2018 STLE Tribology Frontiers Conference. The title of my talk will be Additive Manufacturing Materials and Technologies. I'm sure you're all familiar with additive manufacturing. In fact, you've probably seen it in your local library where they do a material extrusion type of additive manufacturing called fused filament fabrication, or FDM. But there's also a variety of other uses for additive manufacturing, including metal and ceramic additive manufacturing. And the Army is heavily invested in these technologies because of the rapid prototyping capability, so we can quickly try out new prototypes and bring these more quickly to the battlefield so a soldier can make use of these technologies. And also the free geometry that's available with these layer by layer processes. So essentially the complexity of the part is free, something that could not be done with commercial traditional manufacturing types of technologies. I'm going to talk about topology optimization, and this is a process where you use software to strategically place material only where it's needed so we can make lighter and stronger parts, which is a big issue for keeping the soldiers safe by reducing the weight that they have to carry and that weight on their vehicles. And I'm also going to talk about feedstock development. This is my area of research where I'm looking at using indigenous and recycled materials and seeing the range of mechanical properties and material properties we can get from these materials by blending or reinforcing the materials. And some of the other unique feedstocks that we're also developing at the Army Research Lab and how we're characterizing. So if you can join me for my talk, I'll tell you what we're doing now, where we're going, and talk about some of our unique research and characterization and capabilities at the Army Research Lab. Thank you so much.